Let's see what we are to expect for the day on GBP USD. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where a group of traders of all experience levels, both beginners traders and also advanced or experienced traders, come together to share market insights, market updates, and also market strategy. It is also a community for developers and also analysts, market analysts by the way, to share their own idea and also connect with traders of like-minded people. So also guys, it has a section for crypto stocks, commodity indices. You can be part of this by visiting investsocial.com. With this movement on GBPUSD, it is very clear that GBPUSD is on a downtrend move. We are on a bearish market move. As we are, you can see the market literally is giving us a series of low and a lower high. This is our low and this is the lower high. This is another low the market did give us. Here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new low. This is a pullback, which is the lower high. So market is literally giving us a pullback, which is the low high, lower high. So once the pullback, which is the lower high, plays out finish, we are to expect market to eventually drop again to form a new low. So we are to expect market to give us another drop. Now, guys, let's go to our forward time frame. This is also a pullback right here. So once again, we are to expect it to drop. This, if you are to take a look at what market has done right here, it has literally tapped our 10-period simple moving average, which can serve as a confluence zone. You all can see that market has literally come to tap our 10-period simple moving average and it reacted, which made market to drop. We also had it tap this level, which also made it to drop. There was a reaction at that level. This is also another reaction at this level, and of course, this is likely to be another reaction that will eventually make market to drop again. So yes, there will be a sell for the day on GBP USD. So let's see if GBP USD will drop to a level of break below a level. So we are to expect it to break below a level of 1.32705. If you find this video helpful, you can join the community to learn more and also share your own opinion, which is at level of which is investsocial.com.